Okay, so like what are the types of chart in the market? Okay, so if I talk you about the types of chart na, so in types of chart, first chart are the basic charts that we have already discussed. And in basic chart, first chart is the line chart. Okay, what line chart is used for? Because a line chart will show you only one data. If 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 you want like only closing price, if you want to plot a closing price data, so you can plot it in the through the line chart only. So this line chart is used for the technical indicators like MACD, like MACD, moving average, because moving average will give you one data, and uh, our price has four data. I already told you OHLC data: open, high, low, and close. Okay, these are the four data. If I cannot plot this OHLC data on the line chart, but the technical indicators we'll discuss further. Technical indicators use only one data out of this four data. Okay, like if I talk about the moving average, so moving average will use, moving average will take the average of all these four data and will get a one data, and then this one data will plot with the help of line chart. So that's why this line chart is used for the technical indicators. And the second chart we saw about the like column chart. Columns are like buildings, these are the column charts, and I told you that column charts are used for the volumes. Okay, not for the price. These column charts are used for the volume. And third are the bar chart. These bar charts are not famous nowadays, and bar chart look like this types of you can show through the bar chart. This, so the like this is a thin body, okay, and this is a high and low. So these are the like this you can say these are the bar chart, but nowadays we don't use this bar chart. And fourth is the very famous one is the candlestick chart. We have already discussed about the candlestick chart, how candles look like this candles look like. Okay, this shows the high, this shows the closing price, open price, and low. This is the candlestick chart we use to denote the all the four data of a stocks. Okay, OHLC data. Now, second category is the advanced chart. In advanced chart, what charts we have? We will not discuss in this course because it's a basic course. So in advanced chart, like you can study by your own. There are some point and figure chart. Okay, I will just name. And the second chart, you can say that Renko chart is also there. These are the advanced chart. And then there's a Heiken SE chart also there, point and figure chart, Renko, Heiken SE. These are the advanced chart. We really do not require to study these advanced chart because we are on a basic level. After mastering in the basic level, after like 2 years, minimum 2 years of understanding these chart only. Okay, the chart only you will be able to require you then only you will be able to understand these advanced chart, Heiken SE, point and figure. Okay, because for these charts you will be requiring some maturity level, and after basic, after spending some 2 years of chart reading, basic chart reading, then go for this. Okay, you can learn, that's not a problem, but you can learn, but try to first master yourself in the basic chart only. Okay, then you can start learning advanced chart also. So that these are the chart that is available in the market. Okay, now let's talk about the MTF, multi time frame analysis. Okay, so like which time frame you should use? Okay, that's a famous question, like what time frame I should use. So just remember, this is your laptop screen. Okay, in this standard laptop screen, generally 250 to 260 candles you can accommodate easily. This is the standard, like standard size of the screen. Okay, if you try to fit more than 260 candles, then your candle will be very squeezed, like your candle will look like a bar only. This will be your candle, so they you cannot do a proper analysis. So only fit 250 to 260 candles on your screen. Okay, so this is a standard number of candle on a screen. Now if I put a daily candle, let's say I am putting daily candle. Daily candles means one day one candle, right? After day will be 9, after 3:15 I will get a one candle. Okay, so now in my laptop I am on the daily time frame. like I am putting daily candles on my laptop screen. So on a standard laptop screen I will get a 250 to 260 candles, daily candles. Okay, so how much data I have covered on this screen? I have put a 250 daily candles. Okay, 250 daily candles. So when I look on this screen, so how much data I have on my screen? Can anybody tell me how much data I have on my screen?
For 250 days.
Yeah, exactly. For 250 days, like on by just looking at the screen, I can analyze what happened before that. Like 250 days means exactly 1 year, because in a year we have 250 to 260 days, because in a week market run for 5 days. So if you multiply by 52 weeks, so it will be exactly 260. Or if you remove the like non-working holidays also, if you remove the holidays, then it will be around 250 to 260. So I am saying that I will get a 1 year data. Like I can know that what happened before 1 year on the stock. So if I put daily candles on my skin, so let's say you are an intraday trader. Okay, you are an intraday trader. Will you fit daily candles on your laptop? Because if you fit daily candles, you will not be able to take a trade. because just एक चीज और याद रखना, always wait to close the candle. Okay, do not take a trade when candle is forming. Okay, बिकॉज कभी कभी क्या होता है, कैंडल आपकी मार्केट में ऐसे फॉर्म हो रही है, रेड कैंडल, और आफ्टर व्हेन हाफ ऑफ द कैंडल हैज फॉर्म ना, इट टर्न इनटू द ग्रीन कैंडल. Okay, so never ever take a trade when candle is forming. Take a trade after candle has closed. So always wait for the candle to close. If you are intraday trade, suppose you are an intraday trader, so it is obvious that we will not go for the daily time frame, because हमारी डेली कैंडल क्लोज होगी तो नेक्स्ट यू विल टेक ए ट्रेड ना. एंड इंट्राडे ट्रेडर is a trader that take a trade at 9:15 to 3:15. In this time frame he will book his profit or less, whatever it is. Okay, so it is obvious that we will not go for the daily time frame. Now what are the other time frame? We are having a lower time frame also. Lower time frame means minutes or hours. These time frames we are having in the market. Okay, these are the lower time frame. So if I ask you about the hours candles also, if you are doing a intraday trader analysis, so you will go for hourly candle? No, because after 1 hour, when your candle will close after 1 hour, and you cannot wait for 1 hour. Okay, so our hourly candle also we cannot go for the intraday trader. Neither daily will use, neither hourly we will use. So it is obvious that we are going to use the minutes candle for a intraday trade. Only minutes candle. In minutes we have a 5 minute candle or 15 minutes candle. Okay, these two minutes candle we are going to use for the intraday trade. So let's understand this also. Okay, so now this is a math. Why this is a multi time frame analysis. By this you will be able to understand that why you are using this time frame. Because I can directly tell you that for intraday trade use 5 minute. Okay, but just understand why we are using this only. Okay, I will at the last I'll simple language I'll told you for positional, for intraday, for long term, which time frame you should use. So let's be with me and do this multi time frame analysis. Okay, so now I am on a 15-minute candle. Okay, 15 minutes candle means after 15 minutes my candle will close and I will get four data. What I will get? Open price, higher price, low price, and close. So can you tell me in a day how many candles I will get? If I am on a 15 minutes time frame, per day how many candles I will get? Just remember market runs from 9:15 to 3:30. Okay, this is a market hours. So uh, from 9:15 to 10:50 I'll get four candles because it's a 1 hour. So I'll get four, and there's 9:15 to 3, and then 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, and 2 to 3. Four candles, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 3:15 to 3:30 there is a one more candle, so I'll get exactly 25 candles in a day, right? I'll get it 25 candles in a day. Now, and this is my laptop screen, and I told you in laptop screen will accommodate 250 to 260 candles. So how many days data we can able to get by fitting 15-minute candle on our daily screen? See, 25 candles per day, and I'll get it 250 candles. It means 10 days data, right? By fitting daily candles, I will be able to see the 1 year data, right? When I was fitting a one day candle, I will be able to get the 1 year data. Now I am fitting 15 minutes candle, okay, on my screen, so I am able to get the 10 days ka data. Uh, So now if I ask you, if you are intraday trader, let's say, this like intraday trader, do you want this 10 days data? Yes, right now for intraday trader, we generally want what happened before, like in the last 10 days. So this is this is giving a more sense for intraday trader. So 15 minutes is fine. Okay. Now if I put a 5-minute candle, so what will happen? Just it will be triple. So if I put a 5-minute candle, let's do the same calculation for 5 minutes in one day. How many candles I will get? Instead of 25, I will get 75 candles, because in 15 minutes I am getting 25 candles. So it is obviously, if I put that 5 minute, I will get a 25 candle. 25 into 3 75 candles I'll get. In 75 candles, how many data I will be able to see on my screen? Because 75 candles representing one day, so 250 to 260 candles will represent like 3.3 days ka data. Okay, so if I am on the 5-minute time frame, I will be only seeing this 3 days ka data, 2 to 3 days ka data, you can say. Or no, 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days ka data I will be able to see. So now you tell me, which one is, if you are an intraday trader, you want this 10 days ka data, or only 3 to 4 days ka data is sufficient for you to do a intraday trading analysis, to do a intraday trade analysis. You just need what you just need it last 3 to 4 days ka data, that's sufficient for you. You even do not want 10 days ka data. Okay, so now I think it's clear to you which time frame we will use for a intraday trader. So if you are doing an intraday trader, okay, so you will use 5-minute time frame. Okay, this is the best time frame for an intraday trader, and second best time frame is a 15-minute. Okay, why 15 minutes is the second best? Because sometime it may happen that you want the past trend. Okay, 10 दिन का डेटा भी आपको चाहिए, कि आपको अगर आपको एक ट्रेंड को एस्टेब्लिश करना है कि पिछले 10 दिन में क्या हो रहा है, कि आपको अप ट्रेंड में है क्या मार्केट में, तो पिछले अगर आपको 10 दिन का डेटा भी चाहिए, सो यू कैन यूज द 15-minute टाइम फ्रेम. Okay, so just remember, in for intraday trader, the best time frame will be your 5 minute. Always put 5-minute candles on your screen, and if you want to see the past trend, so you can put the 15 minutes also. So this is the best time frame, and this one is the second best time frame for a intraday trader. Is it clear to everyone, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So now this is a multi-time frame analysis. We have to do the calculation and all, how many candles, because traders do like take a trade, but they do not know how many candles in a day they are forming. Okay, so this will give you a sense of the market, right? So now uh, you know NSE has two market. One is the cash market, and another one is the derivative market. Okay, so if you are doing a technical analysis, so I want to tell you that in technical analysis, be in the derivative market. Okay, why you have to be in the derivative market? Because you have the future and option. Okay, so in cash market, if you have 5 lakh rupees, so you can only buy 5 lakh rupees uh, stocks or whatever. Okay, but you want leverage, because traders love leverage. So if by these 5 lakh rupees, if you can buy 50, if you can buy 20 lakh 20 lakh worth, okay, your profit and loss will be on the 20 lakh, but you are just paying the 5 lakh. So that's why this is a derivative market. So be in the derivative market if you are doing a technical analysis. So that's a good for like doing the derivative market. And in future and option, be in the top 200 stock only. Okay, because all the technical analysis will doing the technical analysis only in these stocks. So do not go beyond top 200 stocks. Okay, so those stocks who are available in the derivative market, you can do intraday trading in those stock. Okay, because most of the technical analysis, even I will say 100% technical analysis will do the technical analysis in these stock only. Okay, so if you and me are same, if all the technical analysis is on the same path, so this is a collective effort. Okay, they will get the buy trigger at this point. Okay, and you will also get the buy trigger at this point in the same stock. So by the collective effort, this stock will run. Okay, so that's why I'm saying be in the top 200 stocks and be in the derivative market. Okay, I'll not explain this in detail what this because this is a separate class, so it will take time. So just remember that be in the top most 200 stock which are trading in the derivative market. Do, because that then why your technical analysis will work. If you are doing a technical analysis in micro cap companies na, so in micro cap this might not work, because these are the manipulative stocks, anyone can manipulate these stocks. Okay, so that's why I'm saying. Now now one more thing I want to for a technical analysis I want to explain one thing, that uh, let's say this is a MACD indicator. Okay, MACD, what MACD is, when it was indicate when it was invented na, they just say this is a zero line. When your MACD line cross above the zero, you should buy. Okay, and when your MACD line going below this zero, you should sell. Okay, this was invented by this was invented by Charles Dow, and he said this in MACD, when your MACD line is crossing above zero, this is your buying point, and your MACD line is crossing below zero na, you should sell. And time frame he consider, that time it was 12, 26 and 6. Can anybody tell me why he considered this time frame only? Okay, so so this 12 means it's a 2 week ka data. Okay, 26 means it's a 4 week ka data, and 6 means it's a 1.5 week ka data. But because that time market was run 6 days in a week, not 5 days. Okay, that time market was run 6 days per week. That's why in today context, if I ask you, will this time frame will change according to 5 days, because now market run 5 days per week. So it will be around 10. 4 week means let's say 22, and it means it was around 5. So 10, 22, 5. This is accurate in today context. Okay, this was accurate, this was the most famous. And remember, MACD is the most famous indicator. Okay, it is the most famous. Why I am telling you, you will like in a few minutes you will understand. Okay, this is the most famous indicator, this is the most famous time frame, this is the most famous. Okay, and this is the most famous setting of this indicator, this is the most famous setting. Most famous setting means MACD crossing above zero, MACD crossing below zero, sell. Most famous strategy. Okay, now if I ask you, will you use this length or this length, 12, 26, 6 or 10, 22, 5? This is the most famous and this is the accurate one. So you will go for the accuracy or most famous one. So
Accuracy.
no, do not go for the accuracy in the technical analysis. In that, when you are doing a technical analysis na, do not run for the accuracy, go for the famous one, not for the accuracy. Always follow the famous. Because what will happen, if you are going for the accurate na, see, this is a MACD indicator, and everyone is using the famous indicator. Okay, so your MACD will give you a buying and selling and the different time. And and those who are using the famous one, and most of the technical analysis will using the famous one only. So your MACD will indicate you at different time frame that you should buy at this point, okay? And when those who are using the famous things, they are using the famous settings, famous indicators, and famous length. So you will be alone. If you run for the accuracy, you will be alone, okay? And I told you that if you cannot move the market alone. So here collective efforts will work. Everyone is using the famous one, okay?
Okay.
They will getting the trigger at the same time. At this time, let's say they are getting the sell trigger, okay? Everyone is selling there, and your MACD is moving differently, and you will getting a selling at this point. So if you are using the accurate one also, what you will do with this? So that time collective effort will work, because all the technical analysis are using the famous one. So do not run for the accuracy. We'll use this one only. We'll use most famous, okay? So why I am telling you, just I want to tell you that, okay? I just want to tell you that, number one, be in the most famous stocks, because everybody is there. Collective efforts will work. Every technical analysis is doing the same most famous stocks. Do not go more than 200, okay? Number two, most famous indicators. Most famous indicators, what are the most famous indicators? MACD, RSI, and moving average. Okay, these are the most famous. Everyone is following the same MACD, same RSI, same moving average. Everybody is having the same setting, same time frame, same source. So everyone will get the trigger of buying and selling at the same time. And see how many people are doing the technical analysis, okay? So at the same time you will get a same buy trigger. So will, don't you think your stock will move? Don't you think that at that time you guys are going to move that price up or down? So that's why I'm saying the most famous indicators, always follow the most famous indicators, okay? And most famous strategy, most famous strategy of those indicator, I'll tell you most famous strategy, and most famous settings of those indicators, okay? Most famous setting means we'll use the 12, 26, and 6. This is the most famous setting of MACD. So we'll not change it. Do not try to change it. Okay. We'll be with the famous one. And number fifth, most famous time frame. Okay. Don't you think, if you are an intraday trader, okay, most famous time frame I told you is a 5 minute. Now you are trying to be the unique in the market, and you are using the 4 hours, 4 hours candles. Okay. So everyone is doing the 5 minute, everyone is using the 5 minute, and you are using the 5 minute. So you will be alone. You will be alone. So do not use the 4 hours. So be only use the most famous time frame, 5 minute. Okay. So I'll request you that this video will end in a 5 minutes. So try to join on the same link back. Okay. So now, okay. I hope
What's the
it's clear for you.
sir? What's the point number two? Most famous
Most
stock.
famous indicators. These are the most famous indicator: MACD, RSI, and moving average. Third one is the most famous strategy. Most famous strategy means what? This is a strategy. When MACD is crossing above zero, you should buy. MACD is crossing below, you should sell. Most famous strategy is, there is a signal line also in MACD. Okay, so you do not need to wait for the zero also. So if your MACD is crossing above the signal line, na, you can buy. If MACD is crossing below signal line, you can sell. So this is the most famous strategy. And this is third one is the most famous settings, and fourth one the most famous time frame. So now, is it clear? You have doubts, so we can go on the screen also, then we can see. Or at the last, we'll go, okay, on the screen. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Now, we'll do just simple calculation, okay, in the on the time frame, most famous time frame. So we have discussed about the intraday already. So for intraday, 5 minute is the best one, and second is the 15 minute. Okay, this is the famous for the intraday. Okay, now second type of trader is the positional trader. Okay, and what type of trader you are, it will be depending upon your time horizon. Okay, So if you are taking a trade for 9 to 15, so you are intraday trader. If like positional trader will be like 1 week, let's say, or 15 days. Okay, it's like a short term trader. They are just doing the short term trade analysis. Okay, so it's a positional trader, or you can say short term trader. And third type of trader is a long term. They will they will hold position more than 1 year. Okay, 1 to 5 years. So this is a long term analysis. And the fourth one are the scalper. Scalper are very short term, so they will use the time frame in a seconds. Okay, they are just doing the scalper or minutes. Okay, the best time frame for scalper is 1 minute. Types of trader I'm explaining you: intraday trader, positional trader, long term, and scalper. And there is a one more trader called a swing trader. Do you know what swing trader is? What they do? So swing trader generally trade on the support and resistance. They just mark this is the resistance, this is the support. When market will go on this, I'll just sell, and I'll predict the swing of this trade after touching the resistance, how much it can fall. Okay, so they will just do the resistance support. They play in between support and resistance. Okay, that's why for swing trader, best market is the sideways. They make more money when the market is sideways. Okay, so it's like a swing. You have the swing. So if you leave this swing at this position, so it will be exactly will go till here. So they predict the swing that अगर मार्केट यहाँ से गिरता है तो कहाँ तक जा सकता है. So they are just a swing trader. Okay, so they do not have anything related to time frame. Okay, they just identify the support and the resistance of the market. Okay, and the last trader is the algo trader, also in the market. These are like with the help of machines they are doing the trading. Okay, so these are a type of analysis, type of trader. Now we will make a chart. Okay, in this chart we'll use multi time frame analysis. I'll ask you how many candles and okay, so here is the time frame. Okay, and you tell me candles per day. Okay, and then this will be our time horizon. Okay, time horizon, and this will be our which type of investor horizon. Okay, now let's say I am on the daily chart. Okay, if I am on the daily chart, how many candles I'll get in a day? You can answer. If I am on a daily chart, how many
If I
candles? Okay, I'll get one candles per day only.
one candle, yeah.
Okay, this meeting will end I think 2 to 3 minutes. So please join on the same link. So just I'll take 5 to 10 minutes, then we'll end up this class, and I'll go on the live chat. Okay, so now time horizon
Because
is
I want to ask you something.
okay. Yeah,
Can I ask?
yeah, please.
Actually, my office timing is very odd. So at this time means in evening I come late to
Okay, okay.
and
I'll
cannot
provide
attend
you
it on my
recording.
field.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So I can pay for it. I can what are the
Yeah,
charges and all?
I'll
Please
give you the recording. Okay. If you go through the recording on also na, so you will be able to understand. Okay.
yes, sir, because
Yeah.
the office timing is very odd. I cannot. I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah.
able to attend the classes.
Yeah, yeah. Not the issue. In the recording also, if you have any doubt, then also you can ask me. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
So okay. Yeah.
Today,
Let's
today
this.
somehow I have managed today.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, you can manage. Yeah. So on the daily chart, if I am on the, I'll get a one candle per day. So now, if I am putting the daily candle. So how many data I can cover? I can cover 1 year ka data, right? On the screen. This is my time horizon. If I am putting the daily candles, I will be able to cover 1 year ka data. And this 1 year ka data is used for which type of trader? Positional trader. Okay, so just remember, if you are doing a positional trading now, so daily time frame is the best time frame. I will highlight the best time frame and the blue color. For positional trader, best time frame is the daily. Okay, now if I am on the 15 minute, okay, if I am on the 15 minute, I already discussed. If I am on the 15 minute, how many candles I will be, I'll get in a day? I'll get 25 candles.
24
या
candles.
ऑन 25 कैंडल्स, अगर मैं 25 कैंडल्स इसकी 20 मैं 15 मिनट्स के टाइम फ्रेम पे हूँ, तो मैं कितना डेटा कवर कर सकता हूँ? मैं 10 डेज का डेटा कवर कर सकता हूँ, बिकॉज स्क्रीन पे 250 से 260 कैंडल्स होंगी। और ये 10 डेज का डेटा कौन से ट्रेडर के लिए हेल्पफुल होएगा? लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए हेल्पफुल होएगा या स्विंग ट्रेडर के लिए, पोजिशनल के लिए, इंट्राडे के लिए? ये 10 डेज का
Swings
डेटा, नो, स्विंग ट्रेडर do not do not look for the time frame, they just support and resistance. So this will be help for the ITD, intraday trader,
intraday.
but this is not the best. Okay, so I am highlighting it with the red color. So this is the, no, not, this is the second best time frame for a intraday trader. Okay, so this is the,
सर ये पोजिशनल के लिए नहीं हो सकता है क्या ये
which,
15 मिनट वाला?
किसके लिए?
पोजिशनल वाले जो शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए मे बी 15 डेज 20 डेज में देख रहे हैं।
नहीं नहीं, पोजिशनल ट्रेडर के लिए बेस्ट टाइम फ्रेम विल बी द डेली, नॉट
ओके
15 मिनट्स, या बिकॉज आपके पास में ओनली 10 डेज का डेटा होगा। और पोजिशनल ट्रेडर को आप देखो, आप पोजिशनल ट्रेडर 15 डेज का तो उसको चाहिए ही चाहिए, तो आप 15 मिनट्स का नहीं लगा सकता। लेकिन आप, मैं आपको बताऊंगा पोजिशनल ट्रेडर का कौन सा डेटा होगा, वो भी 4 आवर्स बेस्ट होगा उसके लिए। ओके,
ओके
yeah, so now third, let's discuss about the 15 minute. If I am on the 15 minute candle, I will get 25 candles। और जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं, तो मेरे पास में 3 से 4 दिन का डेटा होगा। और 3 से 4 दिन का डेटा की एनालिसिस कौन सा ट्रेडर करेगा सबसे अच्छे से? इंट्राडे ट्रेडर।
Intraday.
सो इंट्राडे के लिए बेस्ट टाइम फ्रेम हमको पता चल गया। इंट्राडे का जो बेस्ट टाइम फ्रेम होगा वो होगा 5 मिनट। सो दिस विल द बेस्ट टाइम फ्रेम। ओके, नाउ, यस, ऐसे ही अगर मैं आवरली कैंडल पे हूँ, 1 आवर की कैंडल्स भी होती है मार्केट में, सो आपके पास 7 कैंडल होंगी। ओके, 7 कैंडल्स यू विल बी हैव, सो 7 कैंडल्स मींस आपके पास में 2 मंथ्स का डेटा होगा। नाउ 2 महीने का डेटा किसके लिए चाहिए आप मुझे बताओ? इंट्राडे ट्रेडर, पोजिशनल ट्रेडर, लॉन्ग टर्म ट्रेडर, कौन से ट्रेडर के लिए 2 महीने का डेटा बेस्ट होगा?
Positional.
पोजिशनल, वेरी गुड। सो इट विल बी द गुड फॉर द पोजिशनल ट्रेडर, but it is not the best. Best is the daily.
Daily, yeah.
सो दैट्स वाई, और
हाँ.
पोजिशनल ट्रेडर। और 4 आवर्स का अगर आपके पास में कैंडल है, तो मेरे पास में 4 आवर्स के लिए मेरे पास में 2 कैंडल होंगी एक दिन में। ओके, सो मेरे पास में 6 मंथ का डेटा होगा। और 6 मंथ का डेटा भी आपका पोजिशनल ट्रेडर के लिए ही यूज होगा, 6 मंथ का डेटा। ओके, नाउ इफ आई एम ऑन द 30 मिनट कैंडल, let's say I'm on the 30 minute candle, I will get a 13 candle in a day, आई विल गेट ए 1 मंथ का डेटा। जैसे स्क्रीन पे मेरे पास पे 1 महीने का डेटा आएगा, एंड दिस विल बी ऑल्सो फॉर द पोजिशनल